Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you delete a group in WhatsApp. So in order to do this guys, unfortunately you don't have yet an option to uh, delete a group on WhatsApp altogether. So for example this group, so you don't have an option here, you just have the option to exit that certain group. But in order to delete that, it is still possible guys. So all you have to do is go over to that group info and you just have to go ahead and remove all the participants in the group. Okay, so there. And once that is done, you just have to exit the group also. And as you can see, that should go ahead and delete that group altogether. So all you have to do guys is to be an admin on that certain group. And then once that is done, you can go ahead and clear the chat. And that should go ahead and clear the group and delete the group altogether. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.